Are you a landlord and you own 1 or 2 properties and you've seen some of the benefits of investing in real estate and you wanna buy more properties, but you can't figure out how to buy more without draining your savings? Or maybe you own a couple of properties and you're constantly thinking about, "What systems do I need to have? Am I missing something? Is there something I should be doing differently? How do I get more of my time back so this actually helps me instead of taking from me?" If you can relate to that, I've absolutely been there. My name is Erica Brown. I've been investing in real estate over 10 years. I run a portfolio worth over 5 million. I invest in short-term, mid-term, long-term, multifamily plus, and I help equip other landlords to learn how to create systems, learn how to buy more properties and scale without draining your energy, your time, or your pockets. Okay. And I'm hosting a webinar, the biggest roadblocks that landlords miss and how to overcome them coming up. And I want you to be there. It's absolutely free. I'm going to be breaking down the reasons why landlords are stuck at 1 or 2 properties and exactly what you need to do in order to find your next deal. All right. So go to the link below, join me. It's absolutely free, and I will meet you there. One of the things that I'm doing is every Monday, I have it on my calendar, call it a weekly rental cash flow. So each week, every Monday, my assistant put together a list of all the bills which each portfolio. So these are all the bills that come out of the account from subscriptions to mortgages to utility payments, everything. It lists out what's on auto payment, what's manual. I'm an auto pay girl. As many things as I can auto pay, we will do that. And so each week, starting off Monday, what bills came through last week? Check that out for each month. What bills are we anticipating this upcoming week? What income are we anticipating? Do we need to move any money over? Or are we good? Okay, cool. And then each month, my bookkeeper sends me the profit and loss spreadsheet, which allows me to see, okay, what was the total income for the month? What were the total expenses? Was there any expenses that were higher than normal? Because I'm seeing it at a 12-month at a glance. I can easily see, okay, water bill is normally like $100, but for some reason last month it was $300. Let me look into that to see if there's more I need to look into. Okay, last month we made 7,000 in Airbnb for Airbnb, and that gave us on average our cleaning is around $1,200. But why was the cleaning only $800 even though our income was 7,000? Let me look into that. Maybe is there a way that we could continue to do this? And so you are taking that data on a monthly basis, not just during tax time, on a monthly basis. So you making those adjustments as you need to, as you keep going. That is how you run a profitable business. So I'm doing that on a weekly basis. So I'm catching things as they go and then have my monthly review where I'm looking back to see what adjustments do we need to make and then look forward. Okay, we have a vacancy coming up. What do we need to do to manage this vacancy? How will that affect the cash flow? Because once you have multiple properties, it's more than just paying the mortgage and the expenses. Sometimes if you have a vacancy, but then you have cash flow, that cash flow is going to pay the mortgage for another property in the meantime. So it's just important that you have a process around how to keep track of all that. And the good thing is, once your books are up to date and you have a system, it shouldn't take but 15 minutes. It should be really easy to get in there, check it off, review it, make the decision, make adjustments, go from there. It shouldn't take a lot of your time. But what I've found is that because people get so behind, they don't even do it because they are afraid because it takes so much time. But what I'm telling my clients to do, just take a month, take one system per month. What's one system that you can tackle this month? And choose a system that's currently relevant to your situation. So maybe you have a vacancy and you need to find a tenant. Okay, perfect. Now that means that the perfect place for you to start with is creating a leasing system, documenting everything, creating a leasing system, setting up a property management platform so that you can push your listing out to as many people as possible. That's the best place to start. Maybe you already have a tenant. You have a good maintenance system, but you need a financial system. Okay, cool. So take the month, find a bookkeeper, get caught up, what your finance system is going to be. When is the best time of the week for you to allocate to look at your finances and then begin going from there, right? So just give yourself a month deadline, share it with someone in your community, share with an accountability partner, commit to meeting with that accountability partner, get something on the calendar so that you know, okay, cool, I'm about to meet with so and so in 2 weeks. So let me go ahead and get on and do what I said I was going to do. That's how you begin to make progress. That's how you begin to actually take action and not be one of those people that just talk about it, but do something about it. Because if you want to move from beyond 1 to 2 properties, this is what it's going to take. It's going to take action. It's going to take investment. It's going to take sacrifice.